Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we are making Kool Aid Icee Cups. You're going to start by adding 4 quarts of lukewarm or warm water to a heavy bottom pot. Also add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Now you're going to start making your icy cups by adding 3 1/2 cups of the simple syrup to 1 packet of Kool Aid. The first flavor we're making is going to be lemon. Shout out to sous chef Caleb. Stir until combined. This should make about 2 8-ounce cups. Let me know in the comment section below, what did you call this frozen treat back in the day? Was it a freezy cup, icy cup, a huckleback? What was your name for this frozen treat? Now the next flavor is going to be cherry. I think this is the #1 flavor for most people. Comment down below, what is your favorite flavor? Is it cherry, lemon, grape, orange? The process will always be the same. About 3 1/2 cups of simple syrup to 1 packet of Kool Aid. The next flavor is orange. Now the final flavor is going to be grape. Simply place all your icy cups on a sheet tray. Place them in the freezer for a few hours or overnight until frozen solid. Remove them from the freezer and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for the old school, simply turn it over and enjoy it with a spoon. Bye-bye.